Walking to the hot tub. Low-key, it's not that bad out. But I'm gonna try and dip my head in today. I'm about to go under. Okay, it's Friday. I'm not going to be trading today because basically I did my analysis. I put my idea for what I want to see in the session. I kind of did it early at 8:45, so there was still 45 minutes for the market to do what it wanted to do. And my idea basically played out. My target at least got hit before the session started, so session still ain't even open. So I'm not going to be trading today. Now I would make a whole new idea of what I think the move can be now, but just upon analyzing what I think, I don't even like the probabilities of potential moves now. I'm not confident in any, so I'll just sit the day out. But I'll go over what my idea was. So I was bullish for the day. I'm gonna just go back. It's just candle. I was bullish for the day because this was my bias. So overall, same thing as yesterday and the days before. Monday had came down and took these daily lows, these lows here, and made a strong move up. So once they filled a bunch of orders here and showed their hand about at this candle, the news candle on Wednesday, once they had showed a ton of bullish momentum, I knew, okay, we filled a bunch of orders from this liquidity sweep of daily lows. We're making a big push up. So at the time I had got on the charts this morning and I did my analysis, we were on this candle, but we were about down here. So my idea was, okay, yesterday we were short because we were anticipating a pullback on this move, right? Yesterday we were trying to catch this move, and what they did was they actually pulled back to right to a 50% level with this low. So once I saw that, I said, okay, they had pulled back and now they had continued up. And on that pullback, they swept these 1 hour lows. They took out this 1 hour sell side liquidity people here, and then they hit this, tapped this 4 hour gap, and reversed back to continue the uptrend after sweeping this major level. So I said, okay, we were about where my mouse was here. I said, okay, we're continuing the uptrend. This is a very simple continuation today. Bet like the closest, safest area that I believe that they're gonna hit is this area up here, because there's just so many confluences stacked that we're just continuing this big move off of sweeping these daily lows. Where could we be targeting at this current point? It's just yesterday's high. So that was my my target up there, is to catch a continuation. Now again, like I said, when I did my analysis, we were about, I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. When I did my analysis, we were like right here. So we still had a ways to go up. So I thought, okay, there's an hour till the market opens. Hopefully they just kind of stall out. They stall out the move, because you see it's extremely bullish pushing this move up. This is my target. I was hoping they stalled out something like this. So now we have liquidity resting here. Then once the market opens, I was trying to see them pull back, take the liquidity out, and come into this area, this gray box, which is a 30-minute gap. So basically I wanted to see them accumulate more liquidity here. Like, see how this move right here is kind of more choppy? I was looking for that to, hold on, let me delete all this garbage. Basically, just from the time I did the analysis, I wanted them to just chop the market up here and just stall out, and then take the lows, hit the 30-minute imbalance, and then invert a 1 minute gap. And I would have entered there, going for this target. And then for my stop loss, I would have wanted a safe stop, obviously, because of the way I'm trading January, just safe stops, 101s. I was looking to use, just since there's not a whole lot of structure I could have gone off of to place a stop, I was going to just pull out a fib level of one of these moves based on the point we started retracing to, and then I would go to just a safe like 50% level and throw my stop below there if we could still grab the 1-to-1. So it would have been a real safe buy, but you can see they just continued pushing this whole time, and I didn't actually get the trade to hit the target beforehand. So I'm not going to count it as a winning trade idea in my log of journals of correct idea rate, my correct idea rate tracking, because it was just happened way too early. So I'll just count this as a no trade day. And the reason I'm not going to be trading now is because, yeah, I could look for potential sells now that we took this high. We're in this 4-hour gap, but there's just not enough things stacked. I was really confident in this idea, so I'm not too confident in forming a whole new idea. I don't really want to do it. I'd rather just play it safe and sit the day out. So target got hit before session started. But now I'm gonna just watch the session for like an hour or two, just kind of play around, not do anything, but just watch it. Just so I can wait till we get later in the day, because I got finally I have a workout session on my program. I got a PR session today, so we're gonna be maxing out weighted pull-ups and weighted dips for reps with certain weights that I was training with earlier in the week. So I'm excited for that. So I'm gonna just chill, watch the markets for the session, go eat breakfast, and then we're gonna lock in for the workout.
Of your forefathers have caused them to descend into Hades. Retrieve them